boy king who tried to save his throne by training his own executioners was murdered by the very officers he trusted most. It's 1958, Baghdad, Iraq. King Faisal II has ruled since age 4, raised by British tutors but dreaming of an independent Arab nation. He speaks perfect English and Arabic, champions Palestinian rights, and slowly pushes Britain away from Iraqi oil. Young officers love his nationalist speeches, and for a time he seems to balance tradition with revolution. But secret meetings begin in military barracks. The same officers he promoted whisper about real change, about ending monarchy forever. On July 14th, tanks roll toward the royal palace at dawn. Faisal wakes to gunfire and shouts from his own guards. Officers storm the throne room, the same men who once saluted him. Shots echo through marble halls. The royal family falls in minutes, their bodies dragged to the courtyard. His modernizing dreams die with him. The boy king who trained Iraq's military to think like revolutionaries was Faisal II.